Hi there, welcome to Floating in Dreams. This is going to be my makeup collection and reorganization for 2024. Welcome to everybody watching today. Thank you so very much for joining me. This is going to be my makeup reorganization that I do every year after I declutter my makeup collection, because I then take everything out of my little organizers and then I have to put everything back in. So I always tend to film that for you guys to see how I reshuffle everything now that there's a little bit more space for all of the products in my makeup collection. In case you're new here and you've never seen one of my videos, hi, my name is Maaike, I live in the Netherlands. I have fair skin with a cool to neutral undertone, and this greatly influences how I feel about makeup. I have been reviewing makeup for more than a decade, and I love trying out eyeshadow palettes, Estee and Catrice, and getting the use out of my makeup. So today is going to be a day where I show you my makeup collection reorganization. I have had the same organizers and drawers for years now. In fact, the drawers that I put everything into are an Ikea Malm that I've owned for more than a decade. So there's that. The other organizers that you see me having all of the makeup in, the plastic organizers, are all from Ikea. Their Godmorgon range is in the bathroom section, and they do a lot of organizers. They used to do them in like a clear, and now they do them in like this grayish shade, which is not my favorite, but it's very practical and really easy to help organize all of your products. So that's why I do rate that very highly, and I've had that organization system for years, and that's why I stick to it. I do have a room that's semi-dedicated to makeup, you could say. So my room where I filmed all of my declutters is where I film like whenever I do makeup looks and stuff. It's where I have my studio lighting, and that's also where I keep my makeup, and the other half of the room is my wardrobe. And if people want to stay tonight, they can, because there's a little couch there that I can fold out into a day bed. So there's that. So that's a little bit about the room and about the setup that I've got going on. So I will just show you all of the clips now of what things look like as I was organizing them. Today I'm going to be putting all of my makeup back into my organizers, which are just off camera, and sort of giving everything a deep clean. I'm currently in the midst of doing my spring cleaning, hence the no makeup face and the workout thing, because after I finish cleaning for today, I would like to try and squeeze in a yoga class. And I did pretty good reorganizing everything already as I was doing the declutter, so I think this can be a quick little video and of me like putting everything back together. So I'm just going to time-lapse you through it, and hopefully you find this interesting. I do apologize for the bad lighting. It is pretty early in the morning today, so I hope the image is all right for you. that's it. That is the reorganization of my makeup collection for 2024. It's quite short and sweet because I have been showing this for such a long time that I'm like, did I really have to show it all the time? But I will also be inserting some images right now of all of the befores and afters, because I tend to insert those as well, so they can really see how things are organized. I tend to stick to the same things because the top drawer has always been like face products and cheeks. So the first drawer is all of my foundations, primers, highlighters, blush, powder, bronzer, like anything to do with base and cheeks is in that first drawer. And then I have a drawer where I keep most of my fragrances, and then the other section are like anything to do with eyes that aren't a palette, so brow products and mascara and single shadows, and those are all in that second drawer. And then the third and fourth drawers are dedicated to all of my eyeshadow palettes. So those get to get the most space because I have the most. And then I keep my lipsticks front and center up on top of my vanity in these little organizers, because that way they are handy for me to reach for them. Whenever I feel like reaching for a different shade of lipstick, I can just very easily just like have it right there, and that's just been working really well for me. So yeah, that's a little bit about the setup that I've got going on when it comes to my makeup collection organization. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video today. Thumbs it up if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more by me. I make 4 videos on this channel every single week. I have a second channel where I post once a week, and I have a blog where things go live daily as well. So I hope you are going to I hope to see you in one of those spaces, and then I hope to see you in my next video. Bye-bye!